Hey guys, Stephanie here. So in this video, this is going to be a jewelry kit unboxing from the Soft Flex company. They sent me yet another beautiful kit. This is the second one. And it will be released December 29th, which is the day that you're watching this. It'll be available on their website, softflexcompany.com. And it's a monthly mystery design kit. Okay, so you don't know what's in it until it comes out, and I'm going to show you what's in this particular kit. This one is called Rosé All Day. Okay, so it came like this in a little package there. That's my information. All right, and put that aside. So it comes like this when it's sent to you. Okay. And then it tells you what's inside the kit, right? This is available on the website, like I said, softflexcompany.com. All right, you get this inside of it. It'll tell you, give you some information there. So I will put the link in the descriptions for you can check it out. And it has a description of what actually comes in the kit. And for this one, Rosé All Day, this is what's in this particular kit. Looks like you get a lot of the fire polish beads, check glass beads, some silver tone findings, and other beautiful beads, and the Jesse James beads mix, and I love those. So that's what comes in this particular kit, and these sell out pretty quickly, guys. So as soon as you see this video, you might want to head over to the website and grab yours, and they retail for $32.95 plus shipping. All right, but you do get a lot in here. You can probably make, depending on what you're making, you can make anywhere from, 3 to 5 pieces of jewelry, depending on, how you use everything. So let's go ahead and open this. And the only thing you're going to need with this is tools. Everything comes in the kit for you. So, yeah. All right. So now this is just the unboxing. I'm going to do a separate video where I show you some projects that I made with this kit. Okay. So I'm very excited. I like a good mystery kit. It's always wrapped so nice. All right. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at and it's got the rosé is the pink. That's pretty. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Okay, has the rose gold colored wire in there. I love those colored wires. They're kind of really unique to work with, Very, very pretty. So let's look at that. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. And then this one is the medium. Metallic flex wire in medium. In rose gold. All right. You get your findings there. Your crimps and your charms, which are super cute. See if you see that. Okay. Very cute. Get your Rosé All Day bead mix from the Jesse James beads. I like these bead mixes. They're really cute. Very pretty. Okay, get that. And then you get some strands of beautiful beads. Okay. So you get these two roundels. Let's see. Let's go over the list here. For the beads, let's see. Pink fire polish roundels. I believe that's these. Okay. That's very pretty. I love the sparkly. Very pretty. You get the clear roundels, fire polish. Okay. Those are super pretty. And you get the check glass silver AB fire polish roundels. I believe that's these. Very nice. Love those. And then you get the check glass clear with silver fire polish cathedral beads. Oh, these. Oh, yeah, these are nice. Look at that. So, see, very pretty. Very, very pretty. These will go perfect, the three of these together. Or even this, like the three of those. Ooh, I like that color scheme. You get check glass 8mm rose pearls. So, get these. Those are very pretty. And then you get the clear AB finish faceted rounds. Oh, these are gorgeous. Kind of the iridescent finish to them. Very pretty. So you get like what, six strands of beads in here. That's really nice. And the wire and all the stuff. So all you need is your tools. You can make a few, probably 4 or 5 pairs of earrings if you're just doing earrings. You know, I mean, you know, I think that's a great deal for $32.95, right? So you get a lot, all right? So I just wanted to show you the unboxing of this beautiful kit, and I thank Softflex for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. Now, in the next video that you see from me, you will see some projects that I made from this beautiful kit. And again, all you need is your tools. And this kit is available on their website at softflexcompany.com. Okay? I will put the link down in the description. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.